It is only felt. You never see it arrive, you only feel that somewhere inside you something has already moved closer. Intangible, intangible. Love is intangible. It is only felt. Love is intangible, not spoken, not shown, only felt where words come to an end. Intangible, intangible. Love is intangible. It is only felt.